What up, guys? Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've posted. I've actually broken my foot, but at the moment I'm in Nimbin, New South Wales, and this town is renowned mostly for drugs. It's a famous place for growing weed. They've got a weed festival called the Martigrass yearly, and it's actually, this area is the Rainbow region. This is renowned for the Bunjalung tribe. It's a very special area for the indigenous from this area, and this is just a small town. But what I'm going to do today is I've got a special guest on board my channel today, and that's my older brother. So we're going to go around Nimbin today, and we're just going to check out what Nimbin has, the little cafes, maybe check out if there's a bit of hooter or something about, and just see what there is, what Nimbin has to offer. It is a small town, but it's a beautiful town. It's cultural. It's very cultural. It's got its own, it's sort of like Australia and then Nimbin. Nimbin is so different and unique. Anyway, guys, it's totally off the beaten track. So this is in New South Wales in Australia, which is like, it's not too far from the coast. The surrounding areas would be Byron Bay, Lismore, casino areas like that. So this is Nimbin. We've got Herb. This is Herb. Dingoes.
Two dingoes, yeah.
Hey.
Maybe he's a bit.
Hello.
I don't know. Maybe he sort
They're
of
shy.
remembers that Cash
shy.
was.
They're dingoes, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, pure. She's 79.9% dingo, wild born from Queensland.
Wow.
So she's got 20.1% dog ancestry, but these guys are 100% pure. Alpine, Fraser Island, cross Alpine.
Wow.
So yeah, different ecotypes. That's a solid Alpine dingo there, and she's tropical with dog ancestry.
Wow. Do you mind if I take a video of them?
Nah, man.
No? Alright guys, so we've got some native dogs to Australia. These are dingoes, and we have a husky. Is it husky?
Yeah,
Yeah, and a husky.
Yeah, right.
These are
So
native.
they're actually,
Hello.
Geographically isolated for
Hello.
thousands of years, so they're
Very
different
timid.
from dogs.
They're very timid dogs. I told you, there's always something cool here in
They come in
Nimbin.
windows.
These are not traditional pets because they are a native dog. They're a wild dog to Australia. And look at him. Hello.
His name's Red.
Hello, beautiful.
Yeah.
Hello, beautiful.
You can do a lot of tricks, this one.
Hey, can he?
You can speak, you can say I love you,
Oh,
you can count up to 5
wow,
times.
can you show us some?
Yeah.
He can do some tricks, but he's a bit distracted. Hey.
Yeah, he is.
Hey.
Other way, big boy.
Hey, beautiful.
Big red.
Yes.
But look at him, guys. That's a native dog to Australia. Hello.
Again, different to a dog. They're actually geographically isolated from domestic dogs for thousands of years. They're not a canine. They're actually Canis dingoes. So they sit in between a domestic dog and a wolf. They're a subspecies.
Wow.
of both.
Wow. So they're they're the subspecies between dog and wolf.
And wolf, yeah, 100%.
There you go.
They've actually got more of a coat pelage, so coat colours, than a domestic dog breed. And a wolf species, so they can come in white, black and tan, brindle, even pied, so white with brown patches.
Okay.
But yeah, they're, as I said, geographically isolated. They're genetically different. They're bigger than a normal. So a dog this size, his teeth are bigger than the other dogs. So than a domestic dog.
What's your name?
Jessie May.
Jessie May. Chris, nice to meet you.
And I'm Matt. Matt, nice to meet you.
Chris. Simon, nice to meet you, brother. I'm sure I've had you on Facebook before.
Okay, probably. I've got.
Yeah, I was following someone that was mad for.
Dingoes?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, and you had Red is your.
That's Red.
Yes.
Wow, yeah, that's
Yes.
Red.
Yes.
Oh wow, you follow me on Facebook.
Yes. Class.
The country you like dingoes for you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, so I know a little bit about dingoes.
Yeah, well, I've seen all your posts about him. And Red, yeah, he's your main dog. He was your first dog, yeah?
Yeah, dingo.
Your first dingo, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. There you go. So I've already had her on Facebook before. She's a dingo fanatic, expert.
Yeah, you could say that.
That's awesome. Hey,
Yeah,
Red.
I behaviour rehabilitate dingoes. I rescue.
Good on ya.
I train. I educate others. Public.
How did you find the love for them? Like, did it just come naturally, or?
So yeah, pretty much. So I was looking for a companion for about 2 years. I asked the universe, and he came along. Every other pup wasn't available when I got there. He was the first one available, and I learned through him that my indigenous heritage actually danced dingoes for thousands of years. So I think I actually trained dingoes on the basis of indigenous LORE the thousands of years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why they're just so he's really behaving.
Yeah. It's all, you know, through my experience with dingoes, I've had friends that have had dingoes, and I've lived in rural areas where there's lots of. They're not exactly the easiest to introduce and train into civilization, in a sense. They've always sort of got that wild, and like you're saying, like he's like just his behaviour. It's just well done.
Yeah, thank you. It's a lot of time and dedication, understanding his needs and desires. I learnt how to mimic his own little sounds, so he understands me as much as I understand him.
Cool.
So, yeah, honestly. What was your name again?
I'm Chris.
Chris, again. Nice.
All right. Well, it's lovely to meet you guys. Thanks for the.
Send me a message, man. I'd love to.
Let me check if I've still got ya.
Okay, cool.
What's your It's
Jessie May.
Jessie May.
Yeah.
But I'm adamant it was you. Adamant.
If you say Red the Dingo, then yeah, definitely me.
I've got your back.
Awesome.
Hey.
Awesome, man.
So cool to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. See you later, bro.
Yeah, take it easy, man.
All right, guys.
Red.
Yes, I know. This is Red. I've had him on my socials before. This guy. I've seen photos of you, buddy.
Yeah.
Amazing. Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
All good.
See you later.
Thank you.
All right. So, that is an introduction into Nimbin. That's Jessie May. She's from here, and she's a dingo entrepreneur. Loves her dingoes, and that's Red. I've actually had them on social media in the past, and I've just re-added them. It's really, really cool. All right, guys, so let's go check out what else Nimbin has to offer. Guys, we've got a shop here made in Nimbin. Mushrooms and tea, potions and lotions, herbal remedies. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna find out if she's okay with me filming in here. Hi. Am I able to film this stuff? Sorry?
What's it for?
For my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm just sort of doing a video on Nimbin, just sort of the culture and all the cool stuff.
What's the channel called?
Chris Webber Far and Beyond.
Right on.
It's just a travel vlog.
That's well.
Are you boys from here? England?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's a long way away. We've got England, Sydney, and he's England. Two English guys, one Sydney, and we're close to locals. Well, we're from this area. All right, so what is this shop? You do got just like, it's all herbs, and do you mind if I film?
I don't want to be on.
You don't want to be on? That's okay.
You can film things in the shop and stuff, but I don't
Cool.
want to.
No, that's fine. Guys, we just got heaps. Damiana. Now I have no idea what most of this stuff is, but it's all health. It's all health. Lavender. Everyone knows what that is. Teas. And you have mushrooms, yeah?
We've got medicinal and gourmet mushrooms.
No magics?
No.
Ah. there's mushrooms here, but they're not the magic type. Medical soup mix. Cool. Thank you very much.
See you later.
See you later. All right, guys. That's one of the shops here. So this is Nimbin culture, which is, you know, there's a shop right next door. We're gonna go check it out. Which is it's always herbal, you know, hemp. It's massive on weed here. Weeds, marijuana is huge in Nimbin. Hemp, green hemp, massage oil, hand and body lotion.
Thank you very much.
Hey, doll. How you doing? All right. that's just a wee introduction. All right, so let's go check out. This is such a small place. I'm going to show you. I'm going to walk out into the main street and show you just how little this place is. Like, it's really not a very big. There's surrounding areas like of houses up behind the main street, but this is the main street of Nimbin. We've got this area here, and it goes all the way just down to where we were, which is about 1 block behind me, and that's the end of the main street. It's so small, and all there is this is hemporium, so there's hemp and health foods. We've got a bakery, there's the other little herbal shops. On the other side of the road there's vegetarian, or no, on the other side of the road there's a laundromat, and then just some more crystal shops. Like, they sell crystals here. Everyone, again, is very spiritual, so they're selling crystals. People wear the out there attires, different sort of style, kind of like this.
Salvia.
Little bit of Harry Potter look.
Salvia.
And there's one pub.
San Pedro.
That's drug?
Mescaline.
That's mescaline. That's the highest concentrated hallucinogen in the world, sold right on the street. So you can actually extract the mescaline out of that and have a trip. So welcome to Nimbin, guys. All right, so here is major for the drugs. Like, it really is. Nimbin's huge on it. They even hold the yearly Martigrass festival, which is about weed. People dress up in green and all the different attires, and it's a very big cultural thing here in Nimbin. So this is edging towards the end of town. Newsagents or a shop, and this is pretty much it. There's this fork in the road there, and a roundabout that's been drawn on with chalk, and that goes down to the outskirts, and this goes down a bit more into where everyone's sort of living. And that's Nimbin, guys. I'm going to go over quickly and we're going to check out a crystal shop. I'm going to show you guys that. This is the pub here in Nimbin Hotel. What do you say? Weed? Yeah. So that guy just offered to sell us some weed. So it's just, you know, it's everywhere. Weed is everywhere in Nimbin. We've already been offered by about 5 different people if we wanted some weed or hash cookies, things like that. So we got a little hemp shop. So all your hemp products, your hemp bags, all made from natural hemp. All hemp. Soaps. So there's just like your little shops. They're normal shops, but they've got a quirk to them because they sell hemp. Hi, how you doing? Yeah. So they sell hemp and things like that, all usually, you know, products of marijuana, and marijuana here is just huge. It's a massive part of the culture in Nimbin. Bongs, guys. Cabinets full of bongs. Wow. How cool is that, eh? Look at this, big pipe. That's a big pipe. Look at that.
Our placky up there, look. Our plackies.
Oh yeah.
Handmade placky.
And it's that really good brand.
Galliano bottle.
No way. You gotta be skilled to make that.
Tomato sauce.
That's some old school bongs right there. That is the OG bongs, and we got pipes and all of everything to do with marijuana. We have cone pieces. Cool. Bienvenidos. Welcome to Nimbin, guys. One more shop I want to check out, which is the crystal shop, which is just down the road here. And then we're done. We're done for the day. Hey guys. Hey, I'm doing a video. Is it okay if I film the shop just to check out the crystals and stuff?
I don't mind.
You don't mind? Cool. Thanks, guys. Only be a minute. All right, so we're at the Perceptio. This is a little crystal shop. Again, very Nimbin style. Heaps of incense and stuff like that. Rings and very cool. Bob Marley. And a few books. So it's only a small shop, but it's pretty cool. You've got heaps of rocks that you can buy, stones and crystals, gems, things like that. Pretty cool, guys. Herb bowl, mixing bowl, I guess, with an om symbol. So look, I'm just left the crystal shop, and one of the guys that's sitting here on the street, he's like, "Do you want to show this on your channel?" He's not going to be in the video, all right? He doesn't want to be on camera. But we're going to show you just how easy it is to get your hands onto a bag of lush green here in Nimbin. Literally, it's that easy, and that smells Kuta. That smells really, really good. Welcome to Nimbin, guys. Nimbin, New South Wales in Australia here. Interesting place. Very, very different from your ordinary town in Australia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.